Welcome to Lingualens. Today we are going to test your French level with 15 carefully selected questions. 5 beginner, 5 intermediate, and 5 advanced. Each question has 3 possible answers, but only one is correct. After you choose, I'll explain why the correct answer works and why the other 2 are wrong. This will not only tell you your French level, but also teach you real grammar and vocabulary along the way. Today's test topic is greetings and introductions. Ready? Let's begin. How do you say hello in French? The correct answer is B. Bonjour. Bonjour is the standard hello during the day. Salut is the informal hi. Bonsoir is good evening. Question number 2. How do you say my name is Marie? The correct answer is C. Je m'appelle Marie. This is the correct structure for stating your name. A. Je suis Marie is grammatically possible, but means I am Marie, not my name is. And B. Mon nom Marie is incorrect, missing the verb est. Question number 3. Which is an informal greeting? The correct answer is A. Salut. Salut is casual, friendly greeting. B. Bonjour madame is polite and formal. C. Enchanté means nice to meet you, not a greeting. Question number 4. How do you ask how are you in French in an informal way? The correct answer is A. Comment ça va? This is informal and natural. B. Vous allez bien? Is formal. It means are you doing well? C. Ça va-t-il? Is grammatically possible but never used in conversation. Question number 5. How do you respond politely to merci? The correct answer is B. De rien. De rien means you're welcome. A. Pardon means sorry. C. À demain means see you tomorrow. Alright, let's go into the intermediate questions. Questions number 6. What does enchanté mean when meeting someone? The correct answer is B. Nice to meet you. A is unrelated. C, see you later, is a different expression. We will say à plus tard. Question number 7. Which sentence correctly introduces someone else? The correct answer is A. Je vous présente Pierre. Je vous présente Pierre is the correct syntax for I introduce Pierre to you. B. Je présente vous Pierre is an incorrect word order. C. Je Pierre vous présente is completely wrong. It's a completely wrong structure. Question number 8. Which phrase is formal? The correct answer is B. Bonjour monsieur, comment allez-vous? This is a fully formal greeting. A. Salut, ça va? Is informal. C. Ça roule? Is very casual slang. How is it going? Question number 9. What is the correct reply to comment allez-vous? The correct answer is A. Je vais bien, merci. This is an appropriate formal response. B. Ça va ou quoi? It's slang, it's not a response. C. Où vas-tu? Means where are you going? Question number 10. What does à plus tard mean? The correct answer is A. See you later. B is à demain. C is à bientôt. And now, let's finish with the advanced questions. Question number 11. Which sentence uses register appropriately when meeting someone older or in authority? The correct answer is B. Bonjour Madame Dupont, comment allez-vous? This is fully appropriate formal register. A. Salut Claire, ça va? Is informal and not suitable. C. Yo, bien ou bien is slang. Question number 12. Which phrase is the most natural for starting a formal presentation? The correct answer is B. Bonjour à tous, je vais me présenter. This is the correct formal opening. A. Je m'appelle Paul et toi? Is informal and asking and you? C. Salut, moi c'est Paul is casual. Question number 13. Which sentence is grammatically correct and polite? The correct answer is A. Puis-je me présenter? This is the correct inversion for formal politeness. B. Je peux me présenter is grammatically correct but too casual for a polite context. C. Moi présenter puis-je is an incorrect syntax. Question number 14. What does the expression ravi de faire votre connaissance imply? The correct answer is B. Pleased to meet you for the first time. A. You already know the person well is actually the opposite of the meaning. And C is incorrect. You are not saying goodbye. And 15th and final question. Which introduction is the most elegant and formal? Correct answer is B. Enchanté, je m'appelle Paul Durand. This is the refined, polite introduction. A. Je suis Paul is neutral but not elegant. And C. Yo, c'est Paul is slang. Great job! Now it's time to check your level. If you got between 0 to 5 correct answers, you are beginner. Keep going, you're building a foundation. If you've got between 6 to 10 correct answers, you're intermediate. You can already understand a lot. If you've got 11 to 15 correct answers, you're advanced. Impressive! Your French is strong and structured. If you want more tests, explanations or vocabulary games, make sure to subscribe to Lingualens and let me know in the comments which topics you want next. See you in the next lesson.